What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for joining me today. If you guys are new here, don't forget, hit the subscribe button. Check out all my other videos. I have a lot of content on my Civic SI. Today, I got in some Mugen emblems. I think I said that right, Mugen. I always say Mugen, but got these emblems from JHP. It took about a month to get here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and install these. Fairly simple install, and I might go ahead and pop the hood so I can clean up the engine bay a little bit.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Titanium, burnt titanium. I was gonna get the regular ones, but I saw these and I just wanted to jump on them and get them to something different. And I think I saw these, the first time I saw these was actually on a Mugen RR Civic. So I'll put the clip right here. So that was my inspiration. Also, you don't really see too many of them. It is something small, but the details are really big for me. So let's go ahead and put these on. All right, so on the packaging, it does say it's 4,800 yen. I believe that equivalates to, I think, like $45, $46, something like that. Correct me if I'm wrong. But these are original OEM part. I did notice one thing about the emblems is that they are a different size than the cutout that was on my wing. And that's to be expected. Obviously my wing isn't, it's a replica, so I'm not expecting it to fit perfect, but. All right guys, so there it is. Badges are installed. Like I said, I know it's nothing crazy or any power mod or anything like that, but finally have emblems on the rear and they look really, really good. Like I said, I'm very much into details, so this does give the rear just a little extra flair. Side skirts are still here, guys. I promise. I haven't put them on because I'm waiting for the trim to come in. The same trim that I went ahead and put on my HFP rear lip. So as soon as the trim comes in, after paint, I'll go ahead and install that and get that fitted on. I want to go ahead and try to clean up the engine bay somewhat. It is a little dirty, so I do have purple power that I will be using. And so as you can see, it is a little dirty down there. I kind of want to just give it a nice, real good clean. I will be getting the front end painted Tuesday, so I'm very excited about that. They do have to do some body work, line up some panels and things like that. There are a lot of dents, so hopefully they can get that fixed. When the word is on your shoulder, leave it on the wall. When the word is on your shoulder, leave it on the wall. When the word is on your shoulder, leave it on the wall. When the word is on your shoulder, gotta straighten up your act and book it down. Leave it on the wall. When the word is on your shoulder, leave it on the wall. When the word is on your shoulder, leave it on the wall. So it's not entirely clean, but I was able to get some of the grease off. There is quite a bit underneath, but I just went ahead and cleaned up pretty much all that I can. Looks a lot better, and honestly, I'm probably just gonna hit it with a pressure washer or just spray it down and degrease the whole thing. Oh, I forgot to mention one more thing. I did order spacers for the rear, being that these kind of tuck in a little bit. I did order 25mm spacers. It probably is a little bit overkill, but I will be getting the fender flares put on, so it should look nice. For the fronts, I will test the 25mm. It's probably gonna be too big, so I might either go 20 or 15, depending on how they fit. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, like the video if you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.